talking about gardening using coffee grounds. Let's get started. So, to begin with, let me introduce to you the materials that we need. We have the coffee grounds. We have this pot. This has already soil in it, but I have to mix this with coffee grounds later. This one is the mother plant. I will be using this for replanting. This is 2 weeks old, green onion. And this one also is another pot of my green onion. The same thing, 2 weeks old. I will just use these things for replanting and the rest will be used in the kitchen. And this one, this is just my preparation dish. So what I'm gonna do is just pour this coffee grounds in here. Look, I need to kind of powder this one. Okay. This new pot just needs about 30% of the coffee grounds. The 30% of this is about 2 cups. Actually, this is not real cup. This is macro cup. Recycle. Pour this in here. Then just mix this. I still need 1 more cup for the coffee grounds. Okay. That's it. Put some more coffee grounds in this plastic cup. Then put it here. Mix the coffee grounds and the soil thoroughly. Next, let me put this aside. Then uproot this mother plant, the green onion. Oh, this is ready for the kitchen. I just need 2 stalks. Okay, this is for the kitchen. And another one, this one I will also uproot this. Wow, it's hard. Oh. Okay. The same thing, I use coffee grounds in this. This is 2 weeks old green onion, ready for the kitchen. And the rest will be used for replanting. So look at this, 2 weeks old green onion. I'll just separate this. Oh, I have 3 pots, so that means I only need 3 stalks as my new plant. This one has already coffee grounds, so I don't need to add more coffee grounds in this. I put 30% coffee grounds in this and another 30% for this pot. As I can see it, wow, there are a lot of earthworms. Look at this, earthworm, a lot of earthworm. Earthworms really like coffee grounds. They will eat the coffee grounds here and then they will poop. The poop will serve as fertilizer to the plant. So now I will start. Let me cut the roots in here so that the roots will be renewed. So simple as that. Plant it here. Okay. So it's ready. I'll wait 2 weeks for this. Then this one. Okay. Then the 3rd stalk. Oh, sorry. I need to cut the roots. Okay. There you go. So that the plants will not be hurt with the change in their environment, I need to cut the leaves like this. The plant is not ready to photosynthesize, so I need to remove the leaves. It's a baby plant this time, can't do the photosynthesis. I'll just cut the leaves. This one too. Okay. So, there you go. I have now 3 new plants using coffee grounds. So we'll see after 2 weeks. Thanks for watching.